Hello and welcome to this lesson. Earlier on, we covered business intelligence and what it entails. We looked at the definition of terms and the fundamental elements of business intelligence. You can remember that we defined business intelligence as the process of transforming the raw data into actionable insights to support organizational decision making. This is achieved when a team of professionals work together to make sure that the data is transformed from the raw data it is collected, stored into the organization databases and data warehouses. The data is then accessed by the professionals who convert this data into insight through analysis and visualization of this data. One of the key professionals in this is business intelligence analyst. The BI analysts transform data into insight, and they play a crucial role in the analysis and interpretation of the information derived from this data. Their key responsibilities are data collection and integration. That is, they collect data from both internal and external sources, bring the data together, and store it in a centralized storage. Then the data is accessed and analyzed. They also have a role of data analysis and trade forecasting. That is, they use data analysis tools and techniques to identify the trends and patterns in this data. And by doing, they are able to advise organizations on the best course of action. Then we have data scientists. These are professionals who leverage advanced analytical techniques to extract meaningful insight from complex data sets. That is, data scientists use advanced techniques such as machine learning and artificial intelligence. Their key responsibilities and duties are using advanced analytics to gain insight. And one of the key methods they use is data mining from different sources, that is internal and external. Then we have BI developers. The BI developers focuses on the technical implementation of BI solutions. Therefore, they ensure data accessibility and system functionalities. These are professionals who make sure that softwares and tools used by BI analysts work as they should. Their key responsibilities are database management and ETL processes. Their key responsibilities are database management, and they perform ETL processes to ensure that data is accessible to the other team members of the BI department. Then we have the BI architects. These are the professionals who design and implement the overall architecture of BI systems to ensure scalability and efficiency. Their key responsibilities are system design, and they also ensure that these systems are secure and compliant with the standards and requirements of the organizations. Then we have business intelligence managers. These are high-level professionals who oversee the entire BI process by aligning strategies with organizational goals and fostering a data-driven culture. Their key responsibilities are strategic planning and team leadership. Then we have data analysts, who are key contributors. Data analysts are integral in data interpretation and reporting because they ensure accurate and reliable insight is generated from the data. Their main duties are data cleaning and pre-processing. They also perform statistical analysis and develop visualization and reports based on the data. Finally, it's important to note that the business intelligence processes are performed by teams. These teams may comprise of professionals with distinct roles, and this is essential for informed decision-making in dynamic business environment. Therefore, it's good to review these professionals and determine which you may be interested in your career path. And that's it for business BI professionals. And we'll look later on these and define some of these key roles as we learn.